How to change Lazada coins to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Lazada coins to Gcash. First, tap on Withdraw and select Withdrawable Deposit. Then select your preferred bank account. From the balance detail page, click Withdraw. Now select Withdrawable Deposit and click Let's Start. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, select or add a bank account. To add a bank account, just fill out the form and click Add Bank Account. Once the amount and bank are settled, click Continue and confirm withdrawal. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.